Homer announces a donut shop dream, promising endless glaze and heroic appetite satisfaction for everyone. Marge worries about money, while Bart drums in with schemes and giggles, eyes on chaos. Homer borrows a flawed flour sack and fumbles through a zany business plan to knight himself. Springfield budget reports spike, officials scramble, fearing service cuts, potholes, and marching school bells tonight. Lisa insists on data, leading a town budgeting workshop while Milhouse serves as nervous assistant. Mr. Burns plots profits, eyes Homer's donut empire as perfect capitalist temple over Springfield today. Apu arrives with supply trucks, selling premium sprinkles, insisting Simpson's credit lines be careful today. Homer opens donut Daze, flipping sign, while Maggie watches, wide-eyed, in pursuing sugar-fueled wonder gleefully. Chief Wiggum stops by, sampling glaze, and promises donut-powered traffic discipline for the town tonight. Crowds cluster outside, drawn by aroma, while Homer preens, delivering catchphrases and questionable advice today. Bart spawns prank ideas, painting Donut Daze is watching you on Moe's window as usual. Marge audits receipts, discovering quirky discounts, while Lisa drafts a sustainability plan and budget forecasts. Ned Flanders volunteers, organizing a neighborhood bake sale to fund repairs and ring bells together. Krusty host cameo airs a commercial, stealing Homer's thunder with cheap glitter and size everywhere. At City Hall, Mayor Quimby schedules a budget vote, while Homer silences critics with sprinkles. A power outage during the grand opening rush freezes dough, halting production and customer patience. Maggie signals calm with coups, while Homer consults the fuse box, accidentally cooking with buns. Lisa suggests solar-powered ovens, Burns attempts sabotage by dimming lights, fueling rival fears and chaos. Homer misreads a recipe, serving glazed soup, customers exhale, counting calories, echoing doughs in unison. Bart escalates pranks, turning the shop into a carnival, while prank signage multiplies throughout town. Marge mobilizes volunteers, launching a donut drive for seniors, while school kids create budget spreadsheets together. Town hall erupts in debate, Lisa argues data, Moe complains hecklers, and Wiggum chases donuts. Ned mediates gently, offering spiritual donuts and moral guidance, while Burns plots an exit strategy. Homer retools Donut Daze as a cooperative cafe, inviting families, veterans, and teachers to participate. City Council approves a balanced budget contingent on local business support and volunteer hours tonight. Homer learns restraint, cleaning up his messiness while Marge balances generosity with responsibility for everyone. Lisa notices budget lessons ripple outward, shaping kids' futures, embracing compromise without surrendering ideals forever. Even Mr. Burns donates, surprising newsroom fans, admitting energy costs sparked his own community awakening. Dough echoes recur during closing montage, Homer toasts with a cinnamon donut, winking knowingly together. Springfield gathers at sunset, sharing donuts, stories, and hope as the budget stabilizes peacefully tonight.